Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot receive text messages on Edge 17 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time. You will see, click on restart. After click on restart, after restarting enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on CR apps and search messages app from here. Click on Messages app and click on Storage and Cache. If you want to fix this problem, click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, again click on Settings app and search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if cannot receive text messages on H17 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.